Just the other day, I did a video on why I was returning the Oculus Quest Pro. And even though it had some real merits, you know, build quality, the lenses are awesome, the panels are incredible, there's a lot to like about the Quest Pro. The elephant in the room really with the Quest Pro is, yeah, it is incredible and awesome in lots of ways, and really quite bad in other ways that shouldn't be that bad or bad at all. And it's really expensive. It's really far too expensive. So this left me, as I currently am, without a VR system. And then this came in the post. Well, not the post. Amazon delivered it, but you get the idea. Let's destroy the environment. And it is a Pico 4, people. Now, I know I said I probably wasn't going to buy, well, I know I said I wasn't going to buy one. But here's the thing. I tried the Quest Pro on PC VR. Awesome. Awesome. But I just don't use PC VR very much. I should. I've got a great rig. I've got Fanatec wheels. I've got flight sticks and God knows what. But I just don't use them as much because it's a lot of dicking around setting them up. So I thought, well, I'll give it a go anyway. Loved it. And then I was like, should I keep the Quest Pro for this? And it's like, yeah, I'm just not going to get the use out of it. And then I was going through the comments of the sort of the Quest Pro videos that I have been doing. And a lot of you have been saying Pico 4, Pico 4, Pico 4, PCVR, Pico 4. And it's like, all right, okay, I can... You know, one of the downsides with the Pico 4 is that it's a bit clunky in terms of the store, and there's not as much quality or quantity in terms of, you know, games and so on. So for what it is, for what it offers, it has a lot of the things that you would kind of want from the Quest Pro. Pancake lenses and so on, blah, 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 nice and light. Quality issues aside, you know, if the quality of this is really bad or there's some problems with it, I'll just send it back and maybe get another one. But if it works fine, and I know it's not the lenses and the panels in it are not going to be as good as they are on the Quest Pro. Different price points, but it's kind of that, it's one of those things that you kind of only see when you can compare, you can A and B them. Considering I don't have the Quest Pro and I kind of maybe remember what they look like in terms of how vivid the panels were and how great they were, the clarity and so on, and how bright. But probably when I put this on, I probably won't notice. If I do and it becomes a problem and there's some quality issues with this, you know, then maybe I can deal with them, maybe not. But we'll see. It's a third of what the Quest Pro is, and some advantages too in terms of the pass-through, which is much better. So I just wanted to do this video to say, yeah, I got one then, and then we'll take it from there. Yeah. So we'll see. I don't know whether I'll do a review on the Pico 4 because so many people have been doing those, and just go and watch them. But I'll let you know my thoughts, and then we'll move on from that, shall we? Still very excited about the PlayStation VR 2, though. That's the one I'm really excited about. And oddly, and I know this is left field, I've also got into 3D printing. I don't know why either. I don't know. Don't ask me. I just buy this shit. All right, subscribe, click the bell, thumbs up, all that usual stuff. And I'll see you next time. Take care.